I have shared the first version of this video using leftover rice. Majority of you showed interest on that video and asked me to bring more of gluten-free recipe. Here is another one. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. We'll be making use of unripe plantain, that is green plantain. This is not banana, this is a senior brother to banana. All right, we'll be making use of green plantains, like I said earlier. Go ahead and wash the plantains, or should I say rinse the plantains, cut in chunks as demonstrated. You can also cook the plantain in a whole, just the way it is. If you don't wish to cut in chunks, there's no problem, all right? Now transfer into the pot, add enough water to cover with the lid, transfer to your stove, start cooking till they are 100% cooked. 20 minutes later, the plantains are fully cooked. To know if it is ready, you are going to dip a skewer. Once it is soft, it is ready. It doesn't take time to cook. It could be more than 20 minutes depending on your heat. Go ahead and peel the plantains while they are still hot. I added some ginger. All right, now I'm going to add some chili pepper. Then finally, I added some salt to taste. Cover and start blending. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, if you haven't watched the first video, you need to watch it. The link will pop up right now, okay? The first video, we did not use processor. We did everything manually. Should in case you don't have a processor, you need to watch that video, follow the same instructions, and make yours, alright? Okay, now after blending, I will transfer the plantain dough into a mortar. Now, it's either you use cassava starch or corn starch, all right? I will add 2 tablespoons of corn starch and start mixing. Now, at a point, I noticed that the plantains were too sticky. If it is too sticky, you will find it difficult to roll. You need corn starch or cassava starch, that is tapioca, to reduce the stickiness. All right, now continue to knead till you form a dough. Okay, let me also use this opportunity to correct myself for mentioning flour instead of starch on the first video. We used garlic on the first video. Today we are using ginger. Okay, after mixing, now we have a manageable dough. As you can see, you are going to pieces the dough. You need a plastic or a parchment paper. Keep watching, you will understand. Now I get a new plastic bag. If you are with me at this moment, type any plastic. Pieces the plantain dough, throw it into the plastic, start rolling to flatten the dough. You are going to roll as flat as possible you can, as thin as possible, all right? Beautiful shout out to you, Kay, watching from Iceland, Lela from Canada, Stella from Ghana, Chika, watching from Lagos, Nigeria, and Tamara, all the way from Texas. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, we are done rolling. Like I mentioned earlier, you are going to roll as flat as possible you can. Gently, with the help of a kitchen scissors, take out the plastic bag. That is the surface part of it, all right? You should have the flat dough looking at you. Now, with the same corn starch or cassava starch, depending on the one that you are using, now you are going to dust it with whatever mold that you are using to cut, all right? If at a point the dough try to stick, dust the mold with the starch, all right? To the first video, we use pizza cutter to cut. This time around, we are going for a round shape. Continue with the same process till you are done cutting. All right, it is very simple. Once you are done cutting, dust your fingers with the starch again before pulling the cutout dough. All right, once you pull it, you should have something like this. It is very light in texture. Please, you must roll as thin as possible. All right, as thin as possible. That is the way you will get a crunchy crackers at the end of the baking or frying. Okay, we are going to bake and also fry. So you are going to choose your method. All right. Now I'm going to start baking with an oven and also fry at the same time. Go ahead and throw the boys into a deep hot moderate oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After dropping into the hot oil, flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once you notice they have become crispy in texture, go ahead and take it off the heat. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple and easy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. The one in the oven is also ready. It took me about 15 to 17 minutes to get it ready. All right. You can see the texture, very dry, very crispy, super crunchy. Everything in one recipe. It turned out so well. All right, now to the fried ones, let's feel the texture together. Now go ahead and crack. It was crispy, it was flaky, it was yummy, it was delicious. Both methods turn out so well, so you choose your preference. All right, I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.